Hi all. It's been 1 year that we came to Vardhan Fertility, and one of her colleague suggested us to came here, and we are doing good. But the thing is that we are struggling for 2 to 3 years to have a baby. But when we met Dr. Vijay Kumar, then we came to know that she has detected with a fibroid. Then he suggested us to remove the fibroid as soon as possible to get the pregnancy done. So we have done it here, and it is absolutely helpful for staff here like Teju and Deepa. They have made it very possible so that we can do it very faster. So after removal of the fibroid, then it was a 3 to 4 months cooling period, and Vardhan Fertility is very helpful for us to get that done time to time. They keep us posted what needs to be done on next. After 4 months of cooling period, when we came, then doctor again suggested us to go for an IVF because of the fibroid removal and the delays of the pregnancy. So we have gone for an IVF procedure, and it is very easy and help with the doctor like Preeti, Sneha, and Rohini. It will be very helpful for us to go ahead. And now my wife is in 5 months of pregnancy, and it's with a very happy note. I can say that Vardhan Fertility has done a great job for us. Even if any medicine that we need, Amar has helped us a lot so that it will be no issues to get the any medicine or injection that can be, if even if it is not getting outside, we can get it here and make it possible. Once Dr. Vijay Kumar suggested us for an IVF, then we have met embryologist Dr. Milena. So it will be very helpful for her and suggested for a good source, and let us know how this procedure, it will be very helpful, and it is very helpful in going. Once IVF procedure completed, then after 3 months and 5th month, we have met Dr. Dolly, who has done the anomaly scan, and we will get to know how the growth of the baby, and it will be very helpful for us time to time to know that as well. Thank you.